Hi, everybody. And it's Dr. Dion here, and I just want to give you a little bit of information about an upcoming seminar called Valuing Your Skills. I just find this seminar is so important, especially for those people who are really struggling trying to find work and might even think about starting a business or wondering how I can create some extra income with my skills. I come across so many people that, especially those who are over 40 or 50 years of age, who are have either been made redundant or want to do a change of career, and they're just struggling because they go, I'm not quite sure what else I have to offer. So I encourage you to come along to this seminar. It's a great investment of your time. It won't take that long. It's only a couple of hours. And what we're going to do is go through basically things that you've done in the past, maybe some of your schooling, some of your hobbies, tasks that you've done at home, just the whole thing. I can promise you, though, when you leave, you're going to have a list of skills that you are capable of doing that you could either transform your resume to get a different job, or even use those skills to create some extra cash. Who knows? Maybe one of you out there wants to start their own business. We can help you with that as well. I look forward to seeing you at the seminar. Make sure you sign up. See you soon.